Before we even hear the first word in this courtroom, understand this: what starts as a routine arraignment quickly turns into a tense showdown involving road rage, video evidence, immigration consequences, and a judge who will not tolerate excuses. A single kick to a car mirror sets off a chain reaction that could cost this defendant far more than he expects. Watch closely, because every move here matters.
David Istelart Gonzalez, 25W836565. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shepard here on behalf of my client who approaches.
Your name, sir? Your name again? All right, you're still under oath.
Judge, I can articulate. In this circumstance, there's a reason why we're asking for the briefs of adjournment. Is my client indicates he actually has a video of his own, which will provide additional information to the prosecution as well as the defense if this matter were to go to trial. I'm asking for the shortest adjournment because it is a dash cam video that he could not provide today. And he wasn't told prior to bring it. I can't speak as to what another attorney did. But this would be the final adjournment with either a plea.
Well, this is just the arraignment first time anyway, because we needed an interpreter.
Understood. And I've also encouraged my client to potentially speak to an immigration lawyer. He is not a United States citizen, but he is here legally. But I wanted to be aware of any potential conviction possibilities associated with this case.
Was the victim's vehicle, can you, I don't want to, it's just strange. It says he maliciously damaged the victim's passenger side mirror. Let me call in Mr. West. That's better. Mr. West, can you hear me? If you can, sir, can you come in here, please?
Yes, sir. I'll be right there.
Thank you. So we're going to adjourn it 2 weeks. I will give you the date. Mr. West, your name?
Josh West, here on behalf of the people.
All right. Can you enlighten me here? It looks like he allegedly damaged the victim's vehicle that was at the Woodhaven Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a road rage incident. The victim in this matter drove to the Woodhaven Police Department, and the defendant followed him. And we've got a video that shows him karate kicking the mirror of the victim's vehicle.
Your Honor, the video is not a perfect video. We'd like to see what my client's video might have.
This is where things start getting legally serious. The prosecution claims they have video showing the defendant karate kicking the victim's mirror after a road rage incident. Not just damage, but intentional damage. Now, the defense is pushing back, saying their client has his own dash cam footage that may tell a different story. That's critical because video evidence can completely reshape how intent is interpreted in court. Add another layer here. The defendant is not a U.S. citizen. Even a misdemeanor conviction could trigger immigration consequences, which is why the judge strongly advises consulting an immigration attorney. So let me ask you, if you had video evidence that could clear your name, would you bring it immediately, or is this delay raising red flags?
You should consult with an immigration lawyer, sir. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're not to have any contact with the victim or prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer. You cannot possess firearms or dangerous weapons. Also, you have to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department. Today, by noon. So just so you know, Ms. Interpreter, I find it interesting that staff was telling me last time that he didn't need an interpreter. He came in acting like he couldn't speak English. Mr. West comes in.
He's asking for an interpretation.
Go ahead, you can interpret. Mr. West comes in and tells me that they have video of the defendant karate kicking the victim's mirror. And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Istalar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm going to still have an interpreter. He's going to end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already. You're going to end up.
I need my medication, he said.
What's that have to do with it? He's paying for the interpreter. He's paying for the interpreter. We're giving you a new court date in 2 weeks. And that will be on July the 23rd, right, Lisa?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock in the morning. Thank you, Mr. West.
Thank you.
Is that a person or Zoom?
In person.
Judge, if I could make one inquiry, Mr. Shemke, do you want a discovery order?
No, that won't be necessary.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
And he has to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department.
Tiene que ir el día de hoy para realizar sus huellas y en el departamento de policía de Woodhaven.
Okay?
But I have to go to work.
You're going now.
No, usted tiene que ir
You're
a-
going now.
But I need my medication.
Listen,
Me escuchan.
you're going to the Woodhaven Police Department today. I already said by, what did I say? You're going by 1 p.m. today, okay? This is not open for debate, okay? By 1 p.m. today. If you don't, that's a violation of the bond condition. And if you violate the bond condition, you better bring a lot of money with you to the next court date because I'm going to hold a hearing. And if I determine you didn't go over there today, you're going to end up posting a lot of money or sitting in jail pending the next hearing. Understand what I'm telling you, sir? He's shaking his head no again. You understand what I'm telling you?
But I didn't do anything.
Sir, sir, look at me. Look at me. They don't pay me to debate. I'm not debating with you. You understand what I just said to you? You understand what I just said to you? You enjoy the presumption of innocence, but you're not going to ignore orders. Period. Good luck. Go over there.
This hearing ends with a clear message from the bench. Presumption of innocence does not mean freedom from court orders. The judge sets strict bond conditions, no leaving the state, no contact with the victim, mandatory fingerprinting and photographs the same day, and makes it very clear that failure to comply will lead to jail or a heavy financial bond. The tension escalates when the judge questions the defendant's need for an interpreter, noting contradictory behavior in court, and ultimately orders that the defendant pay for that service himself. In the end, this case isn't just about a damaged mirror. It's about credibility, compliance, and consequences. If you found this case as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
You're going to have a big problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Fletcher. Jermaine Allen Fletcher, 25. Thank you so much for coming.
My pleasure.
Jermaine Allen Fletcher.